This is my favorite duo for exfoliating, and I'm going to show you how I like to use them together. So I'm going to take a dime-sized amount of the cleanser, and I'm going to take about a nickel-sized amount of the Bamboo Enzyme Facial Scrub. I'm going to rub that together, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, my neck, and décolleté, and do about 3 to 4 passes with that. And once you have completed that, I'm then going to rinse it off in the sink or the shower. This product is great because the lactic acid in it really helps to gently exfoliate your skin and leaves it super smooth so that your other products go on super effectively. After I pat dry my face, tone, apply my other serums, and then moisturize, you're good to follow with a mineral sunscreen and head on your day.